I'm on 35th and Fillmore.
35th Avenue or 35th Street?
35th Avenue.
What's going on there?
There's a guy with a gun.
There's a guy with a gun. He's threatening my father.
Is he pointing it?
Yeah, he just shot at me right now. It shot to my feet almost, but...
He shot at your feet?
Yes.
Yeah.
How long ago?
It's now in front of my truck right now. It doesn't let me go through out of the alley. I'm on the...
Give me a second.
Please, hurry.
What kind of gun does he have?
He took my phone. He got my phone.
What kind of gun does he... Sir, listen to me. Do you know who this person is?
I don't know. He just came because I was loading the car.
Is he in a vehicle or on foot?
Yeah, it's a Toyota Camry.
Did you see a license plate?
It's a California license plate. He's turning back around, so I don't know if he's going to...
What color is the vehicle?
I'm driving on Fillmore and west of Fillmore.
Sir, I have officers started. What color is his vehicle?
It's black.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. If you don't keep your hands up, force will be used against you. Keep your hands up. Force up, better. Driver's not compliant. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. I need you to step out of the car with your hands up. Driver's a Hispanic or Native male, white tank top. He has the door open, but he is not compliant. Keep your hands up. Hey, Caesar, pinch that. I'm gonna pinch the car, cover me. Caesar, if you're ready to pinch that door.
On the lady, one more unit here with the stop and then try to get the 508.
Pinch the driver door, Caesar. Pinch the driver door. I'll cover you, pinch the door.
Get out with your hands up in the air!
Hold on. A second. Alright, Caesar, pinch the door. Pinch the door. Yep. Good, pinch the door. Good, stop. Alright, pull back. Pull back. Oh. Hey, everybody hold. Nick, come back. Nick, come back.
Guys, give him command.
Boys on better. Car is taking off northbound. Officers are good, but driver is still in the car.
Stay here and hold.
Hey.
Stay up on the car. Guys, give him commands. Watch this side of the car. Watch that side of the car.
Hold. Be careful.
Be
Back
behind
there.
the Tahoe. We need to back up on that.
You good to go? You good? Yeah.
Hey, he pointed the gun directly at you.
I shot you. Yeah. I shot him too. All right, Jake, I'm gonna be off to your left. I'm gonna introduce Pepper Ball in that rear window. Ready? Stand by for Pepper. Ready, Jake? Good. All right, Pepper Ball's back. It's all you, Jake. You're what? Stay right here. Stay right here. Are you good at Pepper Ball in the passenger window? All right, Fort's elevator number. Just Pepper in that front passenger window. Stand by for Pepper.
Copy. Gun. He's got a gun in the hand. Gun in the hand. He has a gun in the hand.
Gun in the hand.
Yep, good.
Put your hands in the air.
Yep, you're good. Stay there. If that gun comes up again, just be aware.
Put your hands up!
Put your hands up!
Please show your hands!
Show me your hands!
Show me your hands! Put your hands up!
On the truck. Yep.